Unit 3 test. Number 1. In lines 19 through 20, the poet uses the words sunny sky, stop to A. Create a pattern of sounds, B. Create a pattern of rhyme, C. Compare two similar things, or D. Describe his mood at the time. 2. Which words help the reader understand what ineptness in line 29 means? A. Up and down career, B. Local player, C. Waited to bat, D. He's gonna drop it. 3. In line 38, the words no rules of gravity meant the A. Pitcher broke the rules, B. Ball kept on rising, C. Ball was lost forever, or D. Players forgot the rules. Number 4. How does the poet feel while the ball is in the air? E. Confident, F. Hopeless, G. Cheerful, H. Stubborn. 5. In which line is the poet using figurative language to make a comparison? I, line 48, J, line 49, K, line 53, L, line 55. 6. Which of the following is the best summary of this poem? M. The poet remembers how nervous he felt while waiting for what seems like forever to catch a baseball during an important game. Even though he thinks he will fail, the poet catches the ball. N. The poet is named Bill. Long ago, he played a game of baseball against a better team with good uniforms. The poet hopes he will drop the ball. He thinks he will laugh if he does not catch it. O. The poet recalls a game of long ago. Waiting and waiting, the ball seems to take forever to drop, giving the poet time to feel sorry for himself. However, he astonishes himself by catching the ball, which is something he is still proud of. P. The poet wishes his team were as good as the Little League team. One hot summer day, the speaker waits at second base to catch a pop-up. He does not think that he will be able to make the catch, and that worries him. One of his teammates yells out that he is sure to drop the ball. That is the end of the poem. Your next text is a reading for the questions A Kid in a Candy Store. Number 1, what does Tommy think could change his life forever? A, a piece of chocolate, B, a comic book store, C, a skateboard, D, a motorcycle. 2, a problem in this story is that Tommy wants a skateboard but does not have the money to buy one. How does he try to solve this problem? A, he tries to solve this problem by dreaming about a trip to Mars. B, he tries to solve this problem by getting a job. C, he tries to solve this problem by staring through the window of the skate shop. Or D, he tries to solve this problem by going to the mall. 3, Tommy stares at the skateboard through the window of the skate shop for weeks. After his dad refuses to buy the skateboard for him, Tommy gets a job so that he can buy it himself. What can be concluded from this information? A, Tommy is serious about getting the skateboard and will work hard to do it. B, Tommy is heartbroken and has given up all hope of getting the skateboard. C, if Tommy does not make enough money at his job to buy the skateboard, he will steal it. Or D, Tommy will lose interest in the skateboard in a few weeks after starting his job. 4, what do Tommy and his dad have in common? A, both Tommy and his dad think raspberry rope is the best candy in the world. B, as boys, both wanted a skateboard built for long rides on roads and down hills. C, as boys, both wanted a motorcycle known as a Vincent Black Shadow. Or D, as boys, both wanted something that their fathers would not buy for them. Number 5, what is the theme of the story? A, friendship, B, honesty, C, determination, D, giving up. 6, read the following sentences. How could that store turn a profit? And why would a store with no customers need an extra employee? Tommy didn't want to find out, but the skateboard demanded he try. What does the phrase "the skateboard demanded he try" mean? A, Tommy wanted the skateboard so much that he decided to try. B, the skateboard spoke to him. Tommy spoke to Tommy in a dream and told him to try. C, Tommy has spent so much time thinking about the skateboard that he is starting to imagine things. Or D, the skateboard has a recorder and speaker that can play voice messages. 7, choose the answer that best completes the sentence below. Tommy wants a skateboard, blank, he wants a longboard. A, specifically, B, on the other hand, C, before, or D, therefore. 8, what kind of candy does Mr. Orson give Tommy to try? 9, Tommy asks how Mr. Orson knew he was looking for a job. What is Mr. Orson's reply? 10. How could Mr. Orson tell that Tommy was looking for a job? Support your answer with evidence from the passage. I will provide you with sentence stems for questions 8, 9, and 10. When you are done, please make sure that you were annotating your entire passage and poem, put your name on the cover, and go and turn it in.